Hello to everyone who has come to visit with us today. It looks like we have our final showdown between our monster trucks this afternoon. The following monster trucks are going to participate in these finals. We have TJ, so handsome. This guy has won many races with his fast car. We also have Woody. This one is an experienced driver, but he is an amateur just to the racing scene as he has only just entered. The best taxi drivers know the old ways. Then we have the Mini, friends with TJ. She loves to go as fast as her little car will let her. It's fragile though, so be careful. And Sally. She is a big and good-natured car. It doesn't win very much, but she will never give up, even if she's a little clumsy. Each of our finalists have passed many stages and are worthy of victory in the finals. But who will be our fastest car today? And that's it! It's all over! TJ has won the race and the crowd goes wild! Hooray! Check out our monster trucks! They are so dirty after the race. They should go to a car wash. Come on, let's go! Here we are. But what's that written on the door? Closed? Oh no! But don't worry, we can always just go drive away to another car wash. Who's that? What a rude monster truck. He made Minnie skid and oh no, she was thrown to the curb. She needs help. Thanks, TJ. You're a real gentleman. Or gentle car. Or gentle truck. Here. Wait, what is this? The car wash is destroyed. Look at this column. Up, it looks like we have a surveillance camera, so we can go back and see what happened here. Let's start the recording and see who crushed the car wash. Oh no, it was that same villain who cut off our Mini. Who is he? And why did he destroy our precious car wash? What are we gonna do when all the monster trucks are dirty? But it looks like we'll have to find that out next time on Bambo Jambo. Hey everybody! In our last monster truck series, our friends restored the car wash together with the help of the crane and the dump truck. We also found out why this evil monster truck just crushes everything. Finally, we've restored our car wash. It's time to wash our monster trucks. TJ, you're up first. How will we begin washing the first monster truck? We begin with the pre-wash. Remove the dust, dirt, and grime from the body of the truck. Don't forget about the wheels. Super! Now we apply the active foam and wash TJ. Great job! It's time to wash off all the dirt. The next step, drying. Finally, we polish off our monster truck. We're done. Minnie, you're up next. So what do? Well, first, we repeat all the steps with the previous monster truck, this one. So let's begin. Pre-wash, excellent. Active foam, wash from the other side. Don't you forget about the headlights and the front bumper. Wash off all the dirt. Dry them. Finally, let's give them a nice shine with the polish. Done! Hooray! And now, it's time to wash Woody. First, the pre-wash. Remove the dust, dirt, and grime from the body of the truck. Don't forget about the wheels. Super! Now, apply the active foam. Just great. It's time to wash off all the dirt. The next step, dry. Once again, we end by making it all shiny with the polish. Great, we're done. Sally, it's your turn. Repeat all the steps. So let's begin. Pre-wash, excellent. Active foam, wash here. Don't forget about the lights and the wheels. Wash off all the dirt. Dry them. Shiny polish time. Whoopee, we're done. Guys, who's riding on the track over there? It's a school bus monster truck! He loves to drive on the track in his spare time when he's not bringing kids to and from school. Unbelievable! The bus has gotten filthy during training, and now he needs a car wash. Here he is. Look! I think the bus won't quite fit in the car wash gate because it's too high. What do? We can wash our school bus and our monster truck, but how do we get it done? Who can help? Well, let's see here. Maybe the fire truck? Can the police help us? Maybe even the crane. You were right all along. The fire truck can help blast off all this dirt. Awesome! And we're done! Now all the monster trucks are clean and shiny. It's time to go to a new race. Hello, friend! Our fire trucks have successfully put out the fire once again. Excellent! Now it's time to return to the fire station. Check out all of our fire trucks. Oh no! They're covered with soot and dirt after the fire. I think we should go to the car wash first, and only then will we go back to the fire station. Uh-oh, what's going on? Our fire trucks can't enter the car wash because it's designed only for small cars, and our trucks are so big. Somewhere in here must be a wash for larger vehicles. Let's see what's on the other side of the car wash. And here it is! We need to begin by cleaning the first fire engine. First of all, the pre-wash. This removes all the dust, dirt, soot from the body of the fire engine. Forget about the wheels. Super! Now we apply the active foam and wash our fire engine. Great! It's time to wash off all the rest of the dirt. The next step, drying. Finally, we polish off our fire truck for that nice red shine. We're done with this one. Must mean it's time to wash the second fire engine. Let's repeat all the steps, like we did with the previous fire engine. So first we begin with the pre-wash. Excellent! Active foam, better use it on all the sides. And do not forget about the headlights and the front bumper. Wash off all the dirt. Dry the fire truck. And finally the polish. Look at how shiny. We're done! Hooray! Let's count how many fire engines we washed today. So there's 1 and 2. There are 2 fire engines that we washed at the car wash today. That's super duper sweet. Well now, it's time to go back to the fire station. Hello, friend! Today we are going to help the police to conduct patrols of our fair city. Permitted speed in our town is 40 miles per hour. This monster truck is clearly speeding. It's time to go in pursuit of the offender. Almost got him. Hooray! We caught the offender! Look at this! Both of our police monster trucks are covered in dust after the chase. I think we should go to the car wash and then later return to the police station. Let's start cleaning the first police monster truck. First, the pre-wash. Remove the dust, dirt, and grime from the body of the truck. And don't forget about the wheels. Super! Now we apply the active foam and wash our police truck. Just great. It's time to wash off all the dirt. The next step, drying. Finally, we polish our police monster truck. And that one is done. It's time to wash the second police monster truck. Repeat all the steps with the second police monster truck. So, let's begin. Pre-wash, excellent. Active foam, wash on each side. And don't forget about the headlights and the front bumper. Wash off all the dirt. Dry them. Finally, polish. Done! Hooray! Let's count how many police monster trucks we washed today. So 1, 2. We washed 2 police monster trucks today at the car wash. And we're done. Well now, it's time to go back to the police station.
Hello to everyone who has just joined us. We are at the Monster Trucks races, and one of the main contenders for the win has already started to warm it up. Today you will see the best race between our super monster trucks. But first, we need to prepare the racetrack. Let's start with the first obstacle, cones. The participants will have to drive around each cone carefully and make sure they don't pierce their huge tires. Now we need to make the second obstacle, old cars, with our monster trucks need to successfully drive over. There is a huge canyon on our track. Let's build a bridge for our super race. Done! And now, it's time to install the ramp. Another obstacle on our track will be cylinders. Let's set them together. All participants have to be very cautious, because each cylinder is not fixed and may fall on the monster trucks. Therefore, we must be very careful. Let's continue. One ramp for this race will not be enough. Let's set a series of springboards on this stretch of the road. Our track is ready. It's time to start the race. Today you will see the best race between our super monster trucks. And today our race features Police Monster Truck, Batman, Bigfoot, School Bus, and Fire Monster Truck. We invite everyone to watch the start. The monster trucks are ready to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Bigfoot is coming off at the first hurdle. He has pierced a tire. This is a failure. Only 4 contenders for the win left. The race continues. The next in line is a bridge over the canyon. Extra caution is needed here, and everyone copes with this difficult obstacle. And now the springboard. The most important thing here is not to overturn. It's unbelievable, but the police monster truck flips and catches the fire. We urgently need the firefighters here. What a serious fight! Only 3 contenders for the win stayed on the track. There are cylinders ahead on the road, but the school bus has lost control, and one of the cones falls directly on the roof of our monster truck. For him, the race is already over. Who will be the winner of today's race? Batman or Fire Monster Truck? But what I see, Batman behaves dishonestly and constantly runs into the Fire Monster Truck. Before the finish, final springboard is installed, determine the winner. Unbelievable! Our Fire Monster Truck wins the race! Hello to everyone who has just joined us. We are at the Monster Trucks races. Today, you will see the best race between our super monster trucks. First, let's prepare a monster truck for the race. So, let's begin. In a tubular chassis and leaf spring suspension, we attach wheels with deep treads. 2 front wheels and 2 rear wheels. Done! Now we fix the spring. We will need them to cushion our monster truck while driving off-road. Next, we set the frame, and on top of it we place the body of our monster truck. Inside the body there is a powerful frame made of metal pipes, which protects the monster truck's driver. And now it's time to install the engine. In the monster truck, the engine is very powerful. Now we set the grille and headlights. Now it's time to work out the design of our monster truck. First, I think the black color fits perfectly. Now we need to attach stickers on our monster truck. A flame will stand out perfectly on a black background. Finally, our monster truck is ready, and it's time to start our super race. And today our race features Bigfoot, Batman, Shark, Cyborg, and Monster. The monster trucks are ready to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Shark is forging ahead. But Cyborg flips and flies out of the race. Butterfly! Monster also flies out of the race because of an accident. And is also coming up the track. Who will be the winner of today's race? Shark or Bigfoot? Bigfoot wins the race!
Hello, friend! Whoa! Check out that billboard! It looks like an awesome monster truck race is going to be happening in our town soon. But I think the police department might want to take part in these races. I mean, the police cars are so fast! Look at that! They are fast! I think these two police cars are just perfect for the monster truck race. Let's move to the police station. There we can prepare our police cars for the monster truck race, which will be held there tomorrow. Let's start. First of all, let's pull the standard wheels off of the police car. A good wheel for the race should be at least 5 times bigger, wow! But before installing the new wheels, we should change the suspension. It is specially designed for our racers. Ready? Oh, let's set a new engine. It is so many times more powerful than the old one, so it's gonna go really fast. But now it's time for the huge wheels. Whoa! It makes the car so much bigger. Here's the first and the second, and the third and the fourth. Awesome! But I think we need to upgrade the design of our police car for a good monster truck race. we've set the new bumper for maximum aggressiveness. We've got a few of them though. Let's pick the most appropriate. I don't think this first bumper fits here. The second one looks a little bit better, but I think the third option might be even better still. Oh, perfect. You're right. The third bumper fits well. Let's leave this one. Hooray! Our first police monster truck is ready for tomorrow's race. It's time to start preparing the second police car for the races. And like last time, we start by removing the standard wheels. Now we put on the suspension so we can put the bigger wheels on. Here comes the engine. And now the special wheels. And finally, let's pick a suitable bumper for this car. First one? How about that one? Or maybe this one? No, I think the first one fits best here. So now our second police monster truck is ready for tomorrow's race. Yes! Our police cars are ready for the monster truck race. Super! And now is time to conduct a trial race. Our police trucks are ready for the race. You will see it in the next episode of our cartoon.